Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Retirement marks a big change, and so does how you interact with your 401k. This savings vehicle, built over many years, now shifts from accumulation to distribution. Understanding your options is crucial for a comfortable post-work life. We'll walk through some essential strategies for managing your funds and ensuring they last. Once you retire, you'll need a clear strategy for withdrawing from your 401k. Most people begin around 60 or 62, though required minimum distributions, or RMD, become mandatory at 73. You can choose lump sums, partial withdrawals, or even annuity payments. Picking the right approach for your lifestyle and tax situation is incredibly important. Taxes are a significant factor when withdrawing from your 401k, and understanding them is key. Traditional accounts mean your withdrawals are taxed as regular income in retirement. However, if you have a Roth 401k, qualified distributions are typically tax-free, offering a big advantage. Knowing the difference helps you plan your withdrawals smartly and potentially lower your overall tax bill. Even in retirement, your 401k assets should continue to be managed effectively. Many retirees choose to roll over their old employer 401k into an individual retirement account, or IRA, which often offers a wider range of investment choices. Regularly reviewing your portfolio and adjusting your strategy helps ensure your money lasts throughout your golden years and beyond. Planning your 401k withdrawals requires looking at your entire financial situation, including pensions or Social Security benefits you might receive. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance, helping you navigate the complexities of tax laws and various withdrawal strategies. Taking these thoughtful steps now ensures a more secure and comfortable retirement for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.